Hey guys, what's up and what's glorious YouTube, the World Wide Web? As you guys can see, man, it is the 5th and final day of Beast Thrift Week. It is a Friday, Freak It Friday, and we're to go into the stores, I guess, where we began. This is gonna be a much more chill episode. We're gonna hit a few spots, see what they have, and hopefully it does prevail with a lot of vintage heat, as have all the other days this week. I don't even know if that's correct English. All right, let's get inside and see what's going on.
Dang, my guy Big Bird is flaccid as hell right now. Looks like got no bones. Hey, look at these though. Checks over stripes. Look at the tiny embroidery on these Beautimish Nikes right here. They're like size 14, 20 bucks. I love that small check. It is just crispy, but the tongue is so stiff. You could definitely carve a holiday turkey on this. Speaking of holiday turkey, stylish, bro. The turkey hat. Sway. Guys, are you joking me? Protect the skull in style. This is the hardest kids helmet I've ever seen. It's the Hungry Caterpillar. Yeah. Oh my God. What a cult classic. All right, so there finally is. We have a vintage classic. The Ross Perot for President vintage tee. Texarkana's son.
Like I've said, it's like a crazy ant in the basement. Everybody knows she's there, but nobody talks about her.
On the Screen Stars Made in USA, the color scheme is absolutely glorious. Find something that can't match at least one of these colors. It's impossible. Bro, oh my dear God. Okay, y'all let me know. Quick question, are we cradling our cocks in vintage draws? Dude, looks like Tigger is climbing up a palm tree. Except the palm tree is your p***, and Winnie the Pooh is staring straight at the family meat show.
Welcome to the meat show, freak show. My life a movie scene. I shoot porn on.
The used Winnie the Pooh draws. Is this how we rockin'?
That's nasty.
I don't know. It is low-key tempting. These are graphically appealing, and the scent can smell it through the mask.
Stings the nostrils.
Let me know. Have I mounted the bandwagon too early or nah? The Gap times Yeezus collab? Bro, this Gap stock going through the roof right now.
I just told you who I thought I was. A god.
Hey, another hoodie we have is that Hogwarts. You're a wizard, Harry.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Crispy. Oh my God, dude. This goes stupid. Shout out Joseph Burrow. You have this crazy LSU leather jacket. Oh, hopefully it's just like 10 bucks. If so, I'll grab this bad boy all day. I mean, it got some slight little distressings on it. Size XXL. Man, the Bayou Bengals.
All right guys, it's windy as hell. You probably can't hear me, but you can feel me, and look at these bags of stuff. I'm surprised, but I'm happy though.
Danny DeVito in this game. I got more cheese than Chester Cheetos.
All right, class, we're at the next store.
Which is the Goodwill. Nice mustard color scheme. And then look at that purple Jeep.
Artistic, man. Oh, let me mask up and hop in there. Someone got triggered by me wearing a mask, bro. You literally have to wear masks to go in the stores. And if it prevents someone else from getting sick, then what's the problem?
Yo, my girl just came up. Look at this beauty. You have that vintage Lee denim. It has this super clean wool interior. It's like one of those Rough Rider jackets. Bro, you already know I have to cop this puppy. It is such high quality with that wool interior. Oh, is it too good to be true? Right out the gate, they have the LeBron 9 Hornets. Guys, I don't know why we have a car full of toys, but what is this thing called? I can't even remember the name of this, but it's like the waiting room entertainment system. They also have this Gooey Louie. Ugh, that just sounds disgusting. It's from 1995. Look how thrilled the children are by this.
The game where you pick gooeys out of Louie's nose? Gross! But if you pick the wrong gooey, Gooey Louie's brains pop out. If you must have this totally gross game, Gooey Louie comes with everything you see here.
That is a weird toy, but this is perfect, bro. Only $1, 1988. You have that Disney See and Say Wonderful World of Color? Wow. Bro, how sway, how. Just chilling here in the jacket section. Check it out. You have the vintage Nike Air thread count crispy, cocaine colorway, Nike in the buttons. My brother, sorry I need to cut my thumbnail. Hey, it is what it is. White tag, made in Taiwan, clean with the kangaroo pouch. You can store your youngins up in this jacket, man. Wow, that's clean. Dude, Space Ranger steez, man, those Reeboks and bait, like Toy Story collab, those things went way too crazy. Imagine the full fit, bruh.
Sweat.
I absolutely have to splurge on the SpongeBob tee. It's gonna match the SpongeBob beanie I got earlier this week perfectly. Perfect. So full thrift fit, we have achieved it. Also, the used sock section, wow, is stunning. Oh my God, guys, this is stupid clean. This thing is looking like the most delicious flavor of Starburst. Tommy for your mommy, literally size large. It's like a French terry. I would rock this, man. One for the pink, one for the stink. This is the shit. I think I finally repaid my debt to my woman back for that Lee jacket, man. Look at this Houston Astros all embroidered jersey. So crispy. Look at that flawless script. Wow. Someone aced their handwriting exam. Oh wait, you kids, y'all just be writing in emojis nowadays. Never mind, youngest can't relate. Guys, I really truly am dumbfounded by how much fire has been in these thrift stores. I can't wait to actually use this thing and see what my boy Big Goof has to say, because you guys already know I hate a Goofy especially.
I hate a Goofy especially.
All right, we're gonna cheat code it to that white.
White. Snow is white.
Oh, he hit that up.
Oh.
I'm so happy. All right, we're a family thrift, and unfortunately I resorted to the book section. If only I knew how to read. But I found like 3 things. There's a St. Louis Cardinals jersey, all embroidered, pretty clean. I really like this shirt. Whoopsies. This Tournament of Roses, just because, okay, that was a bad idea. Because it has like the squirrels, the birds, roses, rivers, frogs, mountains, a little bit of everything. And then you have the 10 Mystery Machines, Scooby-Doo, one of the best vans besides the Thrift Chariot, obviously. This thing is a super cool tin lunchbox. I have to get it. All right, guys, we just jumped into Goodwill, and I want to show y'all how colorway makes a huge difference. So you have this Buick hat, right? Pretty clean, vintage strap back, but then look at it in the white and forest green color scheme. Like, there is no question this one takes the cake 9 times out of 10, bro. This hat is hard, and it has like a flawless shape to it. Wow. Oh yes, sir. Ain't nothing to it when you're riding in the Buick, baby.
The great American road belongs to Buick.
Oh my God, they actually have so many of these hats. They have 2, hold on, they have 3, they have 4, they have 5. So hey, Thrift Heaven Vintage, hopefully you guys like these hats as much as I do, because they're gonna be on site. My dear God, we have a lot of Disney heat in these streets today. You got that Mickey Mouse crew neck. This is newer, but it is still just so clean and crispy. I have to nab it. Yo, look at my girl just found this awesome Winnie the Pooh. Dude, to match my drawers, you have this like treasure chest. This is gonna be the theme of her classroom, so this is absolutely a match made in heaven. Oh, perfect. They have the vintage gummy candy maker. You guys can make some little weed bears and shit. I know how you guys be getting a little crazy. Hey, no, seriously though, we also have this 1997 Star Wars Monopoly, but somebody opened the edge and stole all of these dudes, bro. Or just didn't come with it, but I think someone stole it, because you can sell these and then get them for free, basically. But in other news, Minnie's not broke. She don't be stealing stuff, and you can tell by her Mickey Mouse Rolex on the wrist. Come on, man. I think that just about does it in this thrift. And yes, sir, indeed, guys. Thus concludes Beast Week. 5 days, 5 trips to the thrifts. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. And now, as you're watching this video, I am processing all the clothes, washing them all, taking photos, and then they're going to be listed on my website, which is linked in the description. It's Thrift Heaven Vintage. In case you guys don't already know, I'm not trying to beat a dead horse, but at the same time, it is the best way you guys can support me. So click the link down below. Check out the site this weekend and this upcoming week, because it will have everything that I picked up being dropped.
So yeah, man, thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you to everyone who made it through every single video. If you did, please drop a comment down below. And if you haven't, click on my channel, subscribe, and go watch all the other videos because we had nothing but bangers today, or this week, excuse me. Anyways, live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked, I'm loaded, and until next time, I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.